keyifli abi. Focus on like beating people.
Hey, you gotta get some behind. I'm here. Where'd you go? Hey!
No, she's not. She's been hit in the head. They need an ambulance for her. We're gonna have to call one.
I'm sorry, Lucy.
Come on, you gotta sit up for me. Tell her that, what's her name?
Lucy.
Lucy, you have to sit up for me.
Do you have a document?
They're gonna call the ambulance. I don't see anything. Where are you hurting?
Is the ambulance on the way? We're about to straighten the shade. That way we're away from them. I don't want them to come back, okay? We'll get an ambulance. We're staying over there. Stay back up, please. Should I keep back up, please? Okay, let's get away from these guys. Let's move over there. We'll have an ambulance come, okay? Let's move over there. We'll get an ambulance. In the shade. Just get you in the shade. Come on. Let's move away from them. Sir, can you pick her up? In the grass. In the grass. In the grass. Tend to your people. She's coming.